Welcome everyone, it's Mr. Rodney. I have another problem for you guys, so let's dive right in. A box contains 8 black pens, 5 blue pens, and 3 red pens. 2 pens are drawn at random without replacement. What is the probability that both pens are blue? So probability is the likelihood that something is going to happen. So how we calculate that is we put the outcomes that we want over the number of possible outcomes. So the tricky part about this question is not only do they want the probability that we'll draw a blue pen, but they want the likelihood that we're going to do it twice in a row. So here we just take those two probabilities and multiply them together. So the first one, so there's 5 blue pens. That's the outcome that we want. We want to draw a blue pen. With 8 black pens, 5 blue pens, and 3 red pens, we have 16 pens in total that we could possibly draw from. Now, when we make our second drawing, we're going to have 1 less blue pen, and that's also going to take away from the number of total pens. So that second drawing, the chances of us getting a blue pen is going to be 4 in 15. So to get the probability of these two events happening back to back, we're going to multiply these two fractions. So we're going to multiply straight across. 5 times 4, 20. 16 times 15 is 240. And that's our answer. The probability that we're going to draw a blue pen twice in a row is 20 over 40. But we can definitely clean that answer up. So when we simplify it simplifies to 1 in 12. And that's our answer.